Welcome to Cat with Clarity. Today we are going to learn time and work. Time and work is one of the most important topics in quantitative aptitude. Most students struggle because of fractions and confusing calculations. But in this video, I'll teach you shortcut tricks and exam methods that make this chapter super easy. If someone finishes a work in 5 days, then in one day they complete one-fifth of the work. That is called efficiency. Formula is work done equal to efficiency into time. Similarly, if a person does a work in 10 days, in one day he'll do 1 by 10th of the work, and that is equal to efficiency. Now, faster workers need less time. More efficiency means less time. Efficiency means more time. So efficiency and time are inversely proportional. This is a quick memory trick to keep in mind. Now let's look at a simple example. A can complete a work in 10 days. How much work does A do in a day? A finishes the whole work in 10 days. So in one day, 1 by 10th of the work will be completed. Very simple. Now let's look at two people working together. So let's look at combined efficiency. When two people work together, we add their efficiencies. For example, A does a work in 10 days, B does a work in 15 days. So their efficiency becomes 1 by 10 and 1 by 15. So together their efficiencies is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 equal to 1 by 6. So in one day they'll do 1 by 6 of the work. So how many days will they take to finish the work? Simply reciprocal of 1 by 6, which is 6. So their efficiency combined is 1 by 6. So together they'll take 6 days to finish the work. So whenever two people are working together, to find the number of days together they'll take to complete the work, we combine their efficiency. We add their efficiencies. Now let's look at a shortcut. If A does the work in X days and B does the work in Y days, together they'll do the work in X into Y divided by X plus Y days. This shortcut is extremely useful in exam. You can directly calculate combined time using this formula. Let's look at an example based on this formula. If A does a work in 10 days, B does a work in 15 days, together they'll do the work in how many days? Simply we use the formula x into y divided by x plus y. So 10 into 15 divided by 10 plus 15. So that is 150 divided by 25 equal to 6 days. Now let's look at an exam level question. A finishes the work in 12 days, B finishes the same work in 18 days. Find the number of days A and B together will take to finish the work. Hint is apply the shortcut. Very simple, x into y divided by x plus y. So 18 into 12 divided by 18 plus 12, which is nothing but 216 divided by 30 equal to 7.2 days. So A and B together take 7.2 days to finish the work. Now, analogous concept is pipes and cisterns. Same logic as time and work. If you understand time and work, pipes and cisterns become very easy. Here, filling pipe means positive work, emptying pipe means negative work. So when we are combining the efficiencies here, if there is an empty pipe, a negative sign will come in front of it. We will look it through an example later in the PPT. Now let's look at a question. Pipe A fills a tank in 8 hours. Pipe B fills the same tank in 12 hours. How much time will both pipes take together? Again, it's similar to time and work. We'll use the same concept and same shortcut. X into y divided by x plus y. So 8 into 12 divided by 8 plus 12, which is 96 divided by 20 equal to 4.8 hours. So pipe A and B together will take 4.8 hours to fill the tank. Now let's look at another example. A pipe fills a tank in 16 hours and outlet empties it in 9 hours. How long will the tank take to fill if both are open together? Remember, filling is positive work and emptying is negative work. So fill rate equal to 1 by 6, empty rate equal to 1 by 9. So net work equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 9. I said we will combine the efficiencies, and so since here it is emptying, the outlet is emptying the tank, so we'll take minus 1 by 9. So 1 by 6 minus 1 by 9 is 1 by 18. So in 1 hour the tank is filled 1 by 18. So in 18 hours the tank will be full. So if we open both the filling pipe and the emptying outlet together, the tank will get filled in 18 hours. Very simple. Now let's quickly revise what we learned today. 1 day work equal to 1 by total days. Combined efficiency, we add the efficiencies. Shortcut, if A does a work in X days, B does a work in Y days, or a pipe fills in X hours, pipe B fills in Y hours, then together they'll fill the tank, or together they'll complete the work in X into Y divided by X plus Y. Pipes fill equal to positive work, empty equal to negative work. These concepts are enough to solve most time and work and pipes and cistern questions. Now let's look at a quiz. If A does a work in 8 days, B does a work in 24 days, then together they'll take how many days to finish the work? Comment your answer below. Pause the video and solve this question yourself. And after solving it, please comment your answer below. If you like this video or if you found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll learn time, speed and discuss distance shortcut tricks for exams. Also, I share DI and quant tips, tricks and sets in my Telegram channel on a daily basis. My Telegram channel link is in the description. Please subscribe to the Telegram channel as well. Thank you.